Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Today I'm going to share another Bengali recipe that is made of the skin of bottle gourd or lauki or dudhi, that is called Lau Khoshar Morich Bata. It's very common household dish in Bengal. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so you never miss an update in my channel. Now start making Lau Khoshar Morich Bata. For that, here I have taken the skin of one bottle gourd or lau or lauki or dudhi, whatever you call it, and cut them into small pieces like this, juliennes. Now I'm going to add 5 cloves of garlic to that and 2 green chilies. Then goes some onions. I have taken one small onion and cut them into 4 halves like this. And then I'm going to grind everything together into a very smooth paste. It's a very simple recipe. Now I'm going to start the cooking process. For that, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and let it get nice and hot. Because it's mustard oil, you need to hit it really nice and smoky. So now I'm going to add 1 bay leaf to that, and then 2 whole dried red chilies and 1/4 teaspoon of nigella seeds or kalo jeera or kalonji, and let them splutter. And break the dried red chilies so that it releases its heat. Next I'm going to add the paste that we have made out of the skin of bottle gourd. So we are not going to waste anything. We Bengalis don't waste anything. We totally utilize everything of lauki or lau or bottle gourd. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water, and next over medium to low flame I'm going to just stir it in. But before that, I'm going to add all the ingredients that is needed. First goes 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/3 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. Mix them. And keep the flame low to medium. Next I'm going to add salt according to taste, and just a little bit of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon or less than that. Adjust it according to your taste and mix it. And now we have to do nothing but stir it continuously till it's all the water or moisture present in it evaporates and it releases some oil and become a mush of it. It will take like 10 to 15 minutes over low to medium flame, and see, it has released all the oil and become a mush like this. It has come together like this. When it becomes a ball like state like this, everything is come together, then you know it's done. So it's time to remove it on a bowl and serve it with some hot steamed rice, and it's just awesome. So wasn't it easy recipe? Very easy and healthy recipe, because we all know that lauki or bottle gourd is very healthy, as well as its skin. So don't waste any part of lauki or lau or bottle gourd. Just have it in this way. So I hope you like the recipe. Like the video, share it, and write comment in the comment section below. Thank you.